Working principle. Firstly, the fuel enters the combustion chamber on any of the four combustors, viz. Stationary grate, chain grate, bubbling bed or horizontal reciprocating grate. Once inside the combustion chamber, the fuel is ignited and the combustion starts. Around the combustion chamber is the membrane panel, which carries water through it. The downcomers pass the water from the boiler drum to the bottom headers of membrane panel. Due to the heat from the combustion chamber, the water gets heated and mixture of steam and water exits the membrane panel through the risers into steam drum. Meanwhile, the flue gases from the combustion chamber travel to the reversal chamber through the refractory baffle walls. These walls help increase the length of passage of the flue gas, thus increasing the residence time of combustion and also help in better emission. The steam drum is a vessel of water with tubes placed inside it through which the flue gases flow. In this drum, the water is again heated and the steam rises up in the top portion of the drum. The steam is then taken away from main steam stop valve. Gases are exhausted through a smoke chamber to heat recovery unit. Heat recovery unit is used to preheat boiler feed water or the combustion air by using the heat of flue gases. In turn, they increase the efficiency of the boiler. In Comblock boiler, a waste heat reservoir (WHR) is used to preheat the feed water, or an air preheater (APH) is used to preheat the combustion air. WHR is used for chain grate combustor and APH is used for other combustors like stationary grate, bubbling bed and horizontal reciprocating grate. Comblock has balanced draft system of transporting the combustion air and flue gases. In this method, a forced draft (FD) fan pushes the air required for combustion to the combustion chamber through air ducting. The flow of air can be controlled by dampers. When APH is used, combustion air is passed through APH and is heated up before entering the combustion chamber. The flue gases generated due to combustion of the fuel on the combustor are then taken through the membrane panel, reversal chamber, smoke tubes of the drum, HRU, and pollution control equipment by using an induced draft (ID) fan. The furnace and combustion chamber are kept at a pressure lower than the atmospheric pressure, normally -5 to -10 mm of water column, by adjusting the suction of ID fan. The feed water pumps transfer the water from the main water tank to the boiler drum through a set of piping and valves. When WHR is used, the feed water is passed through a coil of WHR and is heated up before entering the drum. Normally, 2 feed water pumps are provided, one of them being a standby. The level of water in the drum is maintained by using a device called as water level switch or transmitter. It is very important to keep the level of water in the drum higher than the topmost smoke tubes in the drum to ensure that these tubes are always immersed in water.